She had 5 warnings. She ignored every single one. Big mistake.
Read what you sold. You kissed my ass.
Okay. You're gonna go to disorderly conduct.
Well, I'm telling you.
Go back.
My shoes at?
Go back.
Where the fuck my shoes at?
You're the one that almost went last time.
I don't give a fuck.
Hey, stop, you come through, let's go.
Go home.
Hey, don't think we're finna come back.
Hey, don't make no threats now.
Let me get my cousin. I'm trying to get my cousin.
Hold on.
I'm just trying to get my
Take
shoes.
her. She going home.
Bitch, you got
jail.
and whoever I got your shoes.
Take her home.
Bitch, you ain't my motherfucking mama, bitch. And I'm standing on that. Fuck it, you talking about, hoe. Bitch, I don't see you.
I'm not tired of this shit.
Yeah,
I'm getting tired of it.
My motherfucking mama, no. I don't care.
All right, that's
I'm
it.
gonna lean on y'all.
That's it. You better get your ass out of here right now. You're going to jail. I ain't playing. Take her ass out of here. Go out of my face. Get out of my face. Go home.
Y'all got my mama fucked up.
Go home.
Everybody out there got my mama fucked up.
Take her home.
You better put me the fuck down.
I'm telling you, better take her home and go to jail.
We ain't getting out of jail.
Go.
All right, man, say that.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro.
All right, come on.
No. You are about to go home. You about to go to jail, young lady.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay, well you
I
about
don't give a
to.
fuck. Nobody none of that shit. I don't see none of these hoes. You tripping. It don't matter who the fuck jumped my mama. Shanaka, Shanice, like they jumped my mama. They done jumped my mama. Y'all not even saying nothing.
Go.
Y'all not saying that's about to jump
Go.
my mama.
All we know is y'all come down here start
They
yelling and
jumped my
screaming.
mama. Every bitch window.
Who?
Bitch. Bitch, hide.
Ain't nobody saying
Bitch,
nothing
hide the
about
car.
that. Go down here. We
Hide
can't
the car.
talk to you about it when she's yelling.
But they jumped my mama.
We can't talk about it when she's yelling. Take her ass home. You know what? Hey, listen. She got one more chance and she's going to jail.
I don't give a fuck about none of that, dog. I'm telling you, bro. I would add this bitch out by my mama, bro. Y'all tripping.
Calm
I don't see
down
none
and
of
we'll
y'all.
talk.
By my motherfucking mama, bro.
Man, you about to get that crazy bitch.
What? Yeah,
You
what
ain't get that
happened?
crazy bitch.
What
That
happened?
bitch standing down there yelling Shanice. I'm Shanice.
Shanice, I'm trying to find out what happened.
Shit.
What happened?
I don't know. You better get that crazy bitch. You see her.
I see it.
They ought to let me walk down here with weapons and all. And y'all ain't trying to take nobody. I don't want
Look,
to know.
I'm trying to figure out what the fuck going on.
I don't know that crazy bitch down there calling everybody out down here. They from Palatka. We from Bunnell.
I know.
Shit, we born and raised here. Y'all
I
ain't.
know. So what's going on?
Man, they beefing, they fighting, man. I don't fucking know.
I know there was the kids arguing and fighting earlier. So what, is this stemming from that? Or
Yes.
what? So people ain't gonna let it die.
Yeah,
Okay. Because everything was chill when we left over here. They were
And then you
cooking.
got that motherfucker, that boy that you just ran by. That boy that just came down here talking all that shit. Oh, you don't think it's over? He
Yeah, I
coming
heard
down
you.
on scene with a gun.
What is going on that's got you so screaming and yelling?
Man,
we can't
they just-
deal with the problem when people screaming and yelling. You understand?
That's how you could have came at me, though. You didn't come at me like
But
that.
you
came
screaming.
at me because you came at me like, shut the fuck up or you go to jail. That's how you came at
you're
me.
screaming after I told you to calm
Okay,
down.
okay. You should have asked me.
I ain't gotta ask.
Poo-poo, go, let's go. Poo-poo. Go help whoever that is in the car. Okay, I fought whoever the lady is in a burgundy car. Shanika, Shanice.
Anyway.
Whoever the fuck she is.
gotta yell.
Hold on.
Nope, come. Hold on.
Man, don't touch me. Don't
All right,
touch me.
that's it.
Don't touch me.
That's it.
Man, bitch, what
Bob, go.
crazy hoe? What's up?
Hold. All right.
Bitch, I'm grown too. Hoe?
Hey, boy, why you grabbing her like that? Just
Man,
chill
let me go. Man, I don't give a fuck about none of that. Y'all tripping.
Stop.
Man.
Hey, watch back.
She had plenty of opportunity.
Way more opportunity.
Man, I don't give a fuck about none of that. I don't give a fuck about none of that. Y'all don't see none of you hoes. You know that. Sunday, bitch, I got to have you. I got to have you. You hear me? All right, yeah, you want to come crazy about me, bro. You want to talk? Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Man, let me go. Let me go. Yes, sir. Yo, man. That's my sister.
Get in there. This is not going to help you at all.
Man, that's my sister's dog. She a minor, bro.
What's your name? How many chances do you have to get before you do something stupid to go to jail? Come on. I've been trying to. We had it resolved, and then you guys come right back up here and start.
I need my jacket. Can I go talk to my sister?
Nope, you are under arrest. You're not doing anything.
I understand. I said, can I talk to my siblings, man? I don't want them to do man. They kids.
You have more than enough chances.
I understand. I don't. Man, these people mess with us a lot.
And I understand that we can't resolve that by you guys yelling and screaming.
Can you please get my purse? I mean, can you please get my jacket? My jacket.
Well, once all that nonsense gets done, there's too much shit going on right now to be worrying about your jacket. They're still out here fighting and stuff. It's all because of you. All because you wouldn't stop. I gave you 50 million warnings.
Can I just make sure my baby can do my baby? Can you see can do my baby?
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I can't leave you alone.
Finding the units en route to South Henderson. We're getting reports from RPs that officers are being slammed on the ground.
Oh, pussy! I'm gonna beat all y'all motherfucking hoes ass.
Trying to make sure nobody gets hurt on my phone.
I know.
He just hit my auntie.
And you put your hands on my auntie, there's no come back.
Andrea,
Where's my man?
back this way.
Where's my son?
He's in the car now because he wanted to get silly.
Where?
You ain't going to see him.
Why?
Because you're going to end up going to jail.
Why I can't see him,
Go
sir?
back. You're going to make it worse for yourself. Go back. You're going to make it worse for yourself. I'm telling you. I told you guys to go home and this wouldn't happen. Y'all want to keep coming back up here starting shit. Go.
Is my son okay?
He's okay. He's in handcuffs in the back of a car. He's okay. But what did I tell you? Take them all home. Oh, it would be the heavyset kid. Yeah. You okay?
No, when I pulled them off, they fell through.
Where's the heavyset kid or the stocky kid?
With the green jacket.
Yeah, he's in one of those cars.
What do you think me starting to talk to me?
So that's why I was trying to get him to the home.
Yeah, the one with the red was resisting and battle Neo.
Yeah. Do we know where that kid is?
He's in one of the cars.
Him?
The one, the green that was with the other.
The stocky kid.
No,
He's in this one.
What is the beef between all you guys?
I don't know if you came the first time, but the first time we got into it down here, my cousin threw a drink on the man in the wheelchair. And it went left from there. Everybody started snapping. So we started snapping.
Okay.
Then we went home.
Okay.
Some of the girls came down there.
37.
We
Where's
think
the
the
unit
lady that drive the burgundy car,
can't get in here.
Shanaka, her nieces,
The unit was at
came down
306
into my
South
cousin's house
Anderson.
to fight my little sister. Because they said my little sister disrespect their auntie, which is Shanaka. Mind you, this finna be going on a month since all this happened.
Okay. So this has been a while.
Yes, this
I'm gonna have to get them out.
They came and said, you
Bring
had
them
a gun
into
and all
Bowie and
that.
Anderson. Have they
So
used the Bowie and
then-
Anderson?
Man, which one of these motherfuckers, that bitch in there that jumped on me? There's about 3 of them bitches jumped on me, and I'm pretty charged on all them bitches.
I didn't see which one jumped on you. I was dealing with her for disorderly conduct. So
I think he the one broke up my fight, and then there's about 3 of their ass on
You
me.
okay?
jumped on her.
It was
No, you're
you.
good. Are you okay?
No, I think it was you though. They swung on you too. Hey, I got jumped on
Everybody was swinging on everybody.
So.
Man, there's about 3 on jump on me. I'm pressing charge. I got to see the one that jumped on me.
You gotta do it. You want to get your information?
I'm Deputy Felder with the Florida County Sheriff's Office. All right, I'm going to search you. Is there anything on you that I need to know about? All right, step out, please. Stand here, face that way. Spread your feet.
You got a female in your car too?
No, it's just both.
Oh, okay.
Is this? Is there anything else in your waistband? Spread your feet. All right.
So you're so free from me.
Alright, man, step on that. I'll throw my cuffs on here. We'll just walk them out. Watch your turn, face the turn.
10-4. Any unit needing medical attention, please go to Henderson and Bowie. Med will be leaving shortly. Stand by for roll call. Bunnell 30, status check. Bunnell Delta 222, status check. Bunnell unit 312, status check. Bunnell Delta 110, status check. Bunnell Delta 111, status check. Bunnell Delta 211, status check.
Yeah, I just threw them.
Oh, you're good, man.
You're
You're good. You're good. It's all
like,
good.
oh, they went all kinds of.
Oh, controlled. No, you're
So I
not.
can make it.
What's your name?
I get. So what's my name?
Yeah.
Shy.
Shy. Okay, Shy. We're gonna step right over on this one. You got something in there? You were saying?
No.
Okay. All right, right this way.
214, status check.
4 people arrested. 1 juvenile hauled to a youth facility. All charged with disorderly conduct and resisting officers. 40 people. 1 block. 0 chill. And the cops? They saw everything on Bodycam. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axon Cam and hit the notification bell.